Alright, I'm gonna try to remove those ceiling the way I understand. You gotta remove all these things first. All these points right here, gotta take them off, all those screws. And then I gotta pull this down. This is just held by clips. There's screws under there, screws there. There's just clips on that one. And there's a harness on that pillar, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove all these things and we'll see what happens. Okay, once you remove everything that holds the headliner, the way you take it off the car is by folding it in half. So just fold the headliner in half. Don't worry about it, it won't damage the headliner. You're probably gonna end up damaging the headliner if you try to remove it as one piece out of the car. So just fold it in half, take it out of the door, and then you'll be able to work on it. The material will retract back and won't damage it as much. Okay, the way you can start, it's by marking up dots along the headliner. That way you have a guide to poke holes through, and that way you can start inserting all those fibers through those dots. So mark up all the dots that you want in your headliner. After that, if you see some gaps, just start putting more holes through it till you fill up all the headliner with all your fibers. And that's basically what I did. I just went randomly installing some of those dots. Yeah, that's basically what you do. Then after you finish placing all those fibers through those holes that you made, you want to paste them with glue. I use a hot glue for this, so nothing fancy, so whatever glue you use, I recommend a hot glue because it's easier to work and it's very inexpensive, so you can use that for that many fibers. Once you put it back in the car, you just reverse engineer the process and use some flush cutter pliers to cut every single fiber. This is how the final product looked like.